But on his first full working day as chairman of Securities Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, senior bureaucrat Tuhin Kanta Pandey on Monday set a new tone for the regulatory body. He asked the SEBI officials to focus on merit over specific targets. My colleague Shrimi joins in with more details on this.
Tuhin Kanta Pandey, senior bureaucrat and newly appointed SEBI chairman, hit the ground running on his first day, where he asked SEBI employees to focus on merit over specific target. Now, this marks a departure from the target-driven strategy of his predecessor Madhavi Puri Bhuj, where KRAs is mainly dependent on the measurable outcome to sort of ensure the accountability and performance. But Pandey, on the other hand, is having a very balanced and practical approach. In fact, on the first day when he met most of the SEBI staffers, including the junior one, he tried to sort of gauge and understand the challenges and concern of the SEBI employees, and somewhere sort of try to convey to employee that he is here to restore the confidence in SEBI. And this is coming at a very crucial time when you know that SEBI has been grappling with the internal issues, the HR policies, etc. And though Pandey has not, touched upon those issues in details and may have a meeting soon with each department, but he sort of asked for feedback on the challenges and concerns which SEBI employees have been facing, and accordingly they are going to sort of share their views. Meanwhile, the Pandey is also expected to meet stock exchanges including NSE and BSE to sort of gauge the steps and measures on the ongoing issues with respect to both the capital market and commodity market. And on the other hand, we have also sort of getting sense that SEBI will have its board meeting, the first board meeting under Pandey leadership later this month, where we could see some sort of steps and measure to sort of address the market correction which has been going on for some time. So overall, the Pandey is there, and people, SEBI internal officials are quite positive. The way he was receptive in his meeting and the way he tried to sort of gauge and understand the concern and ask for the feedback.